National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Harvard, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Delavon Lake, Rochester, Walworth, Fontaine-on-Geneva Lake, Sharon, Potter Lake, Kell Lake, Browns Lake, Honors Lake, Como, Eagle Lake, Powers Lake, Burlington, Delavon, Waterford and Springfield. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.